transfer case. Fired up. For the first time since we had it going. Got the pump running. Got it cycled. See what happens. Alright, so we can't get it fired up. Having a couple of issues. We have power to the fuel pump relay. We've also got power at the fuse. So the fuse we know isn't blown. We also have communication from the relay to the fuel pump, a good ground. We don't have a short to ground anywhere. So at this point, my diagnosis is simply my forethought into this whole process. That when you have the fuel tank out of the vehicle, change the fuel pump. That's what we should have done. That's where we're at. The fuel pump is a no-go. I did want to make sure I covered my bases. I wanted to check all the possibilities out. However, I did keep it simple in this fact. I wanted to be absolutely sure that all of our other potential problems were ruled out.
One was for some child support and court issues, and to restore Mobile Beach. And I'm happy that both of them were accomplished successfully with honors.
Yeah.
With honors.
What was the hardest part of the build? The last piece of the puzzle?
Part of the build?
We just plugged it in.
I would say
be heading out.
Just everything. There was nothing.
Tonight or
what
was the best part of this?
Everything was a fight. It was a battle. Being with my family. Seeing my friends, my family, hanging with Mom. Definitely spending time with her, my brother, my nephew. He really made all this possible. Definitely made all this possible. Without Jared's Customs and the shop and the facility there, it's just, this project never would have been
this one key turn.
So I hate to keep you guys waiting on whether or not she fired up, but it's just too much fun, bubbly.
It's been 23 long days of busting ass and taking names, busted knuckles, really fighting some of the stuff. The back glass, the quarter back glass, was the last hard piece that we had to put in, and it just fought us every step of the way. We had to take a break and walk away from it. It's running, it's fired up, it's gonna make it back to Pennsylvania, and we did this for just at $3,600. That's paint, buying the new frame and body, everything that we had into this thing, just under $3,600. Let's see what she does. Every piece of the business matters. It doesn't come out right if he doesn't shake it right. So it all starts there. Look, if you have any more questions about your automotive needs, tune into my channel and I'll do anything I can to help you guys learn more about these vehicles and create some passions, because that's what this is all about for me. Passion. Enjoy this, guys.